Hey everyone, have you seen ChatGPT's new image editing trick? Check this out. You type a few words and it handles stuff that used to require dragging a dozen nodes in ComfyUI. Wild, right? Makes you think, is chatting with AI the future of image editing? Will these magic box tools, where you can't kick inside, ever replace transparent systems like ComfyUI that everyone can tweak and stand? To find out, I threw some realistic photo edits at ChatGPT, the same ones I normally do in ComfyUI. Let's see how it went. Okay, here's what's wild. ChatGPT actually keeps patterns and text looking consistent when editing. Take this 3-piece both set I uploaded. I tell ChatGPT to swap the background and poof, new version ready. Check those purple flower details and the dragonfly patterns. Do they match the original? Scarily close, right? Now look at this IGL image ChatGPT whipped up. Let's compare to the real product. The original label's packed with tiny text, but ChatGPT nails the big bold text in the center. Bottom right corner? Yeah, there's some wonky spacing. Top left text totally vanished. But honestly, still mind-blowing. Turns out if the text speak enough, ChatGPT can fake it pretty well. Here's the kicker though. Product photos might trip ChatGPT up. Take a look at this product image from ChatGPT, now compared to the original. The original product has unique custom fonts and ChatGPT struggles to copy them perfectly. Worse yet, there's a size limit. All white images get squished into 1533 by 1024. See how the aspect ratio gets totally messed up here? The product looks stretched and distorted. But here's why ComfyUI still rules. No forced sizes, you pick whatever dimensions you need. Crazy custom fonts, train a LoRa model just for that text style. ChatGPT is like a magic wand for quick fixes, but ComfyUI is your full toolbox when precision matters. Alright, I bet you are tired of staring at product images by now. Let's switch things up with some beautiful portraits. Check out this portrait close-up I fed ChatGPT. I told it to expand this into a full body shot and boom, here's what it spat out. Now it's not technically a full body shot since we can't see her shoes, but still pretty impressive, right? Check out the face compared to the original. But here's the catch. This isn't real old painting. ChatGPT tweaks the original image while expanding it, so for pixel perfect control, ComfyUI still owns this game. Take this portrait. The backlighting is way too harsh, washing out many details. So I told ChatGPT, add balanced front lighting, and bam! Look how it fixes the shadows without wrecking the vibe. Compared to the original, you can see that the way she's positioned and the overall style are really close. Want to recreate this in ComfyUI? Grab a snack, it's a marathon. But here's a cheat code. Use ChatGPT's version as a rough draft. Then jump into ComfyUI to face swap the original's perfect facial details. Best of both worlds. AI speed meets ComfyUI's precision. Okay, so we know ChatGPT struggles a bit with facial consistency. But what about patterns and text in portraits? Let's find out. I uploaded these two images. Told ChatGPT, put the left dress on the right girl. Check the result. Even with the dress scrunched up and sideways, ChatGPT can nail the pattern placement. Not perfect though. See these areas where it messed up? Now peep my ComfyUI version. Remember that workflow from last week? Much cleaner, huh? With ComfyUI, we can precisely control which areas get modified. But wait, ChatGPT did shock me when I asked it to copy this graphic tee design to another person. Boom! Text stays sharp, patterns line up. Need more proof? Look at this back view transfer, nearly identical. Here's the truth though, ComfyUI still wins. Remember that workflow I shared last time? Look at this result, absolutely perfection. Every detail exactly where it should be. ChatGPT is fun for quick experiments, but when you need surgical precision, ComfyUI is your scalpel. That being said, we are still facing some struggles when it comes to relighting in ComfyUI. After using IC Light to relight an image, we often have to recover a lot of lost details. It's a pretty tedious process, and sometimes the final result doesn't look all that natural. That's when ChatGPT might save your sanity. Check this phone pic I tossed at ChatGPT. Garbage lighting, random photo bumpers, greenier than sand. I threw it at ChatGPT and asked it to improve the image. Check out the upgrade. Lighting leveled up, composition stayed intact, zero veiled additions. Not bad for a quick fix. Another test. This castle shot had boring tourist photo vibes. I tapped, make this look like National Geographic, and ChatGPT dropped the mic. Suddenly we got golden hour drama, though it squished the aspect ratio. Classic ChatGPT move. But here's a pro tip. Why not use ChatGPT's version as a reference image in ComfyUI? We could run it through Redux and repaint the original for even better results. Sometimes the best workflow combines both tools. After seeing all these examples, I think you'll agree ChatGPT could change how we use ComfyUI. Want to geek out on every experiment? I've dumped all my prompts and results in a mega post. Link below. Wait, it gets better. OpenAI just dropped some huge news. They're releasing the API in the next few weeks. That means we'll soon be able to blend ChatGPT's editing superpowers directly into our ComfyUI workflows. How awesome is that? Now it's your turn. How will you mix these tools? Drop your wildest combo ideas in the comments. Let's crowdsource the next big AI art hack. If this sparkled even one aha moment for you, smash that like button. Catch you next time when we crack open even crazier AI art tools. Until then, stay curious, keep experimenting, and never stop breaking stuff.